murder's capital of the world. This is Eric and his trusted canines, Nero and Julius. Looking forward to listening to DJ Tommy on 89.5 FM radio, Subic Bay. And if you're not listening, you're stupid. But not as stupid as a fat, dumb American. R-O-C-K 89.5
rocks.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back. Third and final hour of this radio program. It's now 12:19 on the dot. Time for me to give you some of the latest from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has approved the upgrade of the classification of the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority along with two other government-owned and controlled corporations or GOCCs pursuant to Executive Order Number 24, Series of 2011. In a memorandum from Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin to Finance Secretary Ralph G. Recto, the President has approved the classification upgrade of the SBMA, the Authority of the Freeport Area of Bataan or AFAB, and the FIBIDEC Industrial Authority. According to the said memo that was received by the SBMA, the request for classification upgrade was granted after careful and stringent evaluation based on the provisions contained in Section 6 of Executive Order 24 Series of 2011 entitled GOCC Classification. The said provision determines the maximum allowable compensation of the members of the Board of Directors, trustees in GOCCs, and government financial institutions. All right. Okay, that's the latest piece of news for you from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. Ayan, nag-upgrade na po ang ating GOCC classification ng Subic Bay Freeport. So congratulations to all the men and women of the SBMA. Alam mo naman ang ibig sabihin yan pag nag-upgrade ng classification. Well, para lang na-promote sa trabaho, di ba? Better, you'll get better perks, right? Okay. And right about now, I have with me the third batch of the students from La Salle College, Antipolo. Hey! All right. Okay, ang pinakabuhay na batch. Dahil yung kanina, medyo pagod na yata eh. Ito hindi pa pagod, no? Kadarating nyo lang? Kadarating nyo lang? Saan yung unang stop nyo kanina? Bago 89.5. Can you guys use the microphone? Hindi marinig sa ere, promise.
Hello po.
Ayun! Okay. Akala ko di mo figure out. Yuyuko ka uli.
Shoutout 11D!
Ayan. Ang saya-saya.
Yes,
saan yung first stop nyo kanina?
Doon po sa factory na gawaan po ng carton.
Ah, okay. Boxes, no?
Yes.
Lahat pareho, no? Doon
Yes, opo.
Sa Industrial Park, am I right? Or
yes po.
Technology Park, yan. Okay. Wow, that's nice. Alright. And what's gonna be your next stop after 89.5 Subic Bay Radio?
Sa Pure Gold Duty Free ba?
Pure Gold. Okay. Hi sa mga Aling Puring members. Yeah. Nakakatuwa dyan sa Pure Gold, no?
Yes.
Napakamasa ng dating. If you notice sa mga Pure Gold, kahit everybody's welcome eh, pinapapasok lahat eh, no? Di ba? Nung minsan sa tabi ko may may katabi ako na alam mo yung punit-punit na na talagang hindi sila, what I'm saying is hindi sila nag-discriminate. Yeah.
Yes.
Sabi ko tuloy, sorry wala akong barya ha. Sabi sa akin, hey, nakapila ako. Kung nagawa mo, nakapila ako, bibili rin ako, no? Okay, anyways. Kamusta ang La Salle College, Antipolo? Kamusta pare? Yeah.
Okay naman po kami. Kahit mainit, the best pa yung field trip.
Ayos ba? First time, sinong first time sa Subic? Lahat ba kayo?
No.
Yeah.
Hindi daw.
I just noticed, no? Lahat kayo student. Si sir, student din ba po ba? Ayun.
Advisor po namin si sir.
Kaya pala sabi ko naiba.
Ang pogi, di ba?
Oh, yeah. Kasi na-notice ko simula kanina, naka-t-shirt lahat. Naisip ko lang, baka kasi dahil antipolo, bawal magpolo. Kaya, sabi ko, bakit si sir nakapolo? Sabi ko. First time nyo ba narinig yung are? Papa-trademark ko na yung joke na yan, ano? Kasi lahat ng taga-antipolo na sinabihan ko ng joke na yan, first time daw nila narinig eh. Kaya kailangan talaga ipa-trademark eh, no? Baka maunahan ako.
Bawal magpolo sa antipolo!
You got it right. pero yan yung official uniform nyo. Wala, sa uniform nyo, baka may polo din sa ibang araw. Tama ba? Meron din. Ano?
Wala lang pong collar.
polong walang collar eh, no? Malupit pare. Nakakita ka na noon? Polo walang collar. Oh. Parang yung brief ko long sleeve eh. Parang nagkakalukuhan na po dito sa kakaiba tong batch na to, kakaiba. Oh, speaking of kakaiba, anong kakaiba sa school natin na masasabi natin, alam nyo, wala sa ibang school, kami lang meron ito. Meron ba, pare? Meron?
Madaming extraordinary students. Yes!
Extraordinary students. Would you like to elaborate further?
Katulad po ni Jeremy Vale. Pati po ni Kagawad Evan.
Wow. As in, kagawad talaga, ha? Baka kakaibang kagawad yan, pare, ha? Yeah.
Vote for...
Pero, lahat kayo...
Evan Florendo, running for...
Lahat
treasurer.
Lahat kayo grade 11, ano?
Yes po.
Tapos grade 12, dire-diretso na college sa... may college, right? Lasal College.
May college po.
Pero, ibang campus.
CSP.
CSP. College of St. Benilde. Yun.
Yes.
Okay. Pero it all belongs in the LaSalle family, right? The college, even De La Salle University, tama ba? Isa lang, no? Yan, okay. Yun. Sabi ko nga, nung narinig ko, LaSalle yung darating, sabi ko, I better bring along a lot of English with me. Alam mo naman, pag sinabing LaSalle.
Yeah. Hey, I can speak English.
Already?
I prepared many Englishes. Yeah!
So you came well prepared, huh?
Yes.
How much English did you brought with you?
I have you, am I? I can't count anymore, but I think 1,000. Yeah!
Pero ang alam ko, A, E, I, O, U lang sapat na eh. Okay. Sige. Since we have a couple more buses to go, kayo ba yung una sa bus na to or ito yung pangalawa? Kayo yung pangalawa. Hindi nila sinabi na live on air, no? Na-surprise ba kayo?
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Pwede po mag-shoutout?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Ano sa shoutout ko?
Oh, shoutout. Sige. Before we call in the next bus.
Shoutout po sa nanay ni Rob Calderon, si Tita Lynn Calderon. Shoutout din po sa nanay ko, si Emeline Mendoza.
Ako din magsasabi
Sa Singapore.
Ako din.
Shoutout din po si Jeremy Vale. Nakalbo!
Okay. All right. Yeah, your shoutout, pare.
Pa-shoutout po din sa nanay ko na nakatira pa sa Taytay Rizal.
Okay.
Pa-shoutout din kay Teo.
All right. Sabihin niyo sa mga
nandito sa loob ng room na to.
Sabihin niyo na lang sa mga shoutout niyo pag tapos na yung program, pwedeng i-replay yung video sa 89.5 page. Yeah, pwede naman i-replay yan. Okay. So thank you guys for dropping by and pinasaya niyo ng konti yung program, no? Okay. So let's call in the next bus. Thank you. Yes, sir. Sige, go ahead.
All right.
Yeah. Shout out to
everyone from Morong Rizal. Thank you very much.
Yun. May pahabol pa. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Enjoy Subic, kids. Ayan. Okay. The extra fun batch. We're gonna press play on the next. Thank you. Enjoy Subic. Here's our next requested song. Music coming from Creed. This one's called One Last Breath. 895 Subic Bay Radio.